Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What is your name?
What is your name?
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Don't stand here.
Don't stand here.
Go and sleep.
Go and sleep.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Stop shouting.
Stop shouting.
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Please wait.
Please wait.
Don't run fast.
Don't run fast.
Can you do this?
Can you do this?
This is for you.
This is for you.
Who is there?
Who is there?
Don't go alone.
Don't go alone.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Open your bag.
Open your bag.
Don't laugh.
Don't laugh.
I am busy now.
I am busy now.
Go and check.
Go and check.
It is raining.
It is raining.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
It's not here.
It's not here.
I'm very tired.
I'm very tired.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
What did you say?
What did you say?
I forgot it.
I forgot it.
Please open this.
Please open this.
Who called you?
Who called you?
I will help you.
I will help you.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I need this.
I need this.
Don't worry, please.
Don't worry, please.
Let's go now.
Let's go now.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
Turn on the fan.
Turn on the fan.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light.
Please listen to me.
Please listen to me.
Come with me.
Come with me.
Stay here.
Stay here.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Bring some food.
Bring some food.
Stop doing that.
Stop doing that.
Do you know this?
Do you know this?
Try to understand.
Try to understand.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Don't make noise.
Don't make noise.
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Look over there.
Look over there.
Take this book.
Take this book.
Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone.
Don't waste time.
Don't waste time.
Do it properly.
Do it properly.
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please.
I don't believe this.
I don't believe this. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.